Open the game folder. Select GTA VC. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Check the option to run this program in compatibility mode. Click to show the options. Select Windows XP Service Pack 2. Check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply and click on OK. You can also use the option of Windows 98 and click on Apply and click on OK. Select GTA VC, right-click it, click on Show More Options. Click on Create Shortcut. Select the shortcut, right-click it, and click on Properties. Press the right arrow key to go to the end of the path, press space and write CPUCount 1. Click on Apply and click on OK. Use this shortcut to play the game. Inside the game, keep pressing the Escape key and press it while also moving the mouse until you can move the mouse in the game. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.